Hi and welcome back to Acoustic Appraisal. Today I have the Monitor Audio BR1s. Now what I discovered with these speakers is that they're quite difficult to get a hold of now. I don't know whether this is due to their age or maybe it's because people like them that much they're not willing to get rid of them. But anyway, I managed to pick these up in an auction and I paid £70 for these. So they can be found for quite a reasonable amount of money. Now I've checked on eBay and at the minute they're selling for £119 by it now, which I think is quite a good price considering what you're getting for your money. Right, so as usual I normally go through a bit of specification. So these particular ones are rated at 70 watt with a 6 ohm impedance, which means that with your amp they might need turning up that a little bit just to get the most out of these speakers. But yeah, they have a 25mm gold plated C-cam tweeter and a 5.5 inch MMP mid bass, which what I gather is pretty much standard for monitor audio speakers nowadays. So up next I will be looking through these speakers' design and features. Alright, so these BR1s are available in either black oak, walnut and cherry. Now in my opinion these look best in walnut, but I wouldn't exactly what you call the other colours horrible. I mean they're all really a nice range of speakers. Right, the BR1's design is, it's really nice. I mean, looking at it now, it is one of the best looking speakers I've ever owned, and I think some of the features what it has are really nice. For example, the gold plated tweeter is quite a nice feature and it really stands out on these speakers quite a lot. Some people might not like this, but I think it's one of the speaker's best features. Right, the mid bass is Monitor Audio's MMP design, which stands for metal matrix polymer, and what this is it's a mixture of polypropylene and metallic particles, and this is supposed to make the mid bass quite rigid and improve bass control and allow the mids to really shine as well. So hopefully we'll be able to hear that later on. Right, so turning these speakers round the back, it's all pretty standard, apart from the one nice bit of these speakers which I don't really think they needed to do, but they've done anyway, and it's the surround around the terminals. And I think this is quite a nice feature considering you don't really see the back of the speakers, but it's just a nice touch to make them feel more expensive. The rest of it is pretty standard. I mean, you've got your rear bass port and your screw for your wall mount, so it's quite simple from the back. So but overall, I mean, they are a really nice looking speaker. With them being rear ported, you might want to leave a bit of room behind these speakers, but other than that, I mean, it's a nice looking speaker, it's really attractive, well built, and it has no really major letdowns for its money. So you've just heard the BR1s in action, and the first thing that you'll notice with these speakers is that they produce a really well balanced sound. The bass, mids and treble all really sit well together and really complement each other to produce a really refined sound. I mean, from the speakers I've heard and tested so far, these are up there with the best. The vocals are really clear and really crisp, but they're not overpowering and they don't overshadow the mids and the bass like some of the other speakers. They're just a really, really good sound. These speakers as a pair will easily fill a large room, but I'd say they're best suited to sort of a medium-sized room, and with that you get a really good sound. So these speakers would probably be good as your main speakers up front in your setup, or if you've got a nice surround cinema setup, they'd probably really complement that as well. So what you probably noticed from the test is that these were quite a bit louder than what I expected, and this suggests that they are actually a lot easier to power than what I first thought. So overall, these are a fantastic speaker, and I'd suggest if you can find a pair, then buy them, or if you've got that bit more money, get the BX1s instead. Right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.